So greetings from Pennsylvania once again, and yes, it is snowing out here. Today is January 31st, last day of January, and the storm is supposed to come starting today, obviously, and then the most of it's supposed to come tomorrow, first day of February on Monday. This is a Sunday morning. I just got home. It's about 11 in the morning, so I'm going to document this storm with you guys, show you the progression of it. I think right now it's not too bad, but I do need to go out a little bit later today, get some gas. I want to fill Naomi up with gas, just to be on the safe side. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some mixed feelings about it. Kind of done with winter, but you know, huge snowfall is kind of nice as well. Yeah, so just a view, because I'm out here in my backyard. You can see the snow. It's already starting to stick to the ground just a little bit. So we'll see what happens. I mean, the last snowstorm we got was kind of a bust. They're saying we're gonna get like 2 feet of snow, and here we only got like 7 inches, maybe 6.5. So like I said, I'm just gonna document the progression of this storm with you. It might be kind of fun. We will go for a drive later today. Not sure what all will happen tomorrow. I'll take you outside, and I don't know what's gonna happen. And then Tuesday, maybe we'll go for a hike in the snow, depending on how much you got. I still didn't get snowshoes. I did get those, what they're called snow gaiters, that you can put on the bottom of your legs so your pants don't get all wet and stuff. All right, well, I'm gonna head back inside. I gotta eat breakfast yet. I didn't eat breakfast. I had my coffee and a cookie this morning, but doesn't really count as breakfast. All right, but right now it's pretty calm. Some light snow. All right, I'll get back to you later as things change. Take you for a drive. All right, I'm gonna head back inside for now. All right, well, it is a couple hours later. Things are looking a little whiter. Of course, the main event hasn't come yet, the main snowfall, but it is about 2:30 in the afternoon. But like I said, I'm gonna go head out and get some gas. Oh, it's a 4-wheel out here on the background. All right. And away we go. The roads actually aren't too bad right now, as you can tell. But Naomi just got new tires last week, so it'll be nice. The other ones are getting pretty bad. Actually not snowing anymore. And we're almost down in the town of Womelsdorf. Actually, I think I had a viewer from Germany say that there's a Womelsdorf over there, Germany. Of course, this area was settled by German immigrants, so it would make sense that there was a Womelsdorf in both countries. I was hoping for a little bit more snow as we drove along, but you know, it's a little safer this way, I guess. I know it may seem like I'm driving fast, but that's just because of the dash cam. The dash cam makes it look like I'm going, you know, 60 miles an hour on these roads. I'm actually only going 40 right now. Let's see how packed this place is. See if everybody else is out getting gas. That's not too bad. Actually, it looks like, oh, there's a few other people here. Snowplow. So oddly enough, there was a reason that there was nobody getting gas at that place. The gas pumps were empty. It's the first time that ever happened to me at that place. So there was no gas there. So not sure why. Hope that's not a sign of the times to come. But anyway, so I gotta get to another gas station. So maybe we'll get to see a little more footage of some snowy roads. All right. Whatever. It is what it is. All right. So like I said, we're headed to another spot to get gas, because these roads are a little more snow covered. Kind of going the back way though too, staying off the main highways. That's the way it always in bad weather, snowy weather. If I could stay off the main highways, I do. I mean, you might be a safe driver, but you don't know about the people around you. Let's try this again. Getting gas, take 2. Well, the second attempt was more successful. Naomi has a full belly now. And I did want to have a full tank of gas, because you never know. We could have we could get up to 2 feet of snow, and that could, shut things down for a while. So to have a full tank is kind of important. At least to me it is. To me it is. So I'm going to head home. I'm not really showing any footage on the way home. I'll get back in touch with you later tonight. Well, for you it'll just be a couple seconds, and we'll see if when the snow starts back up this evening. That's when the storm is really supposed to kick in, is tonight and then tomorrow. We'll see if we get 2 feet or not. All right, I'm gonna head home. I'll see you a little bit later. Well, here we are. It is about 5 o'clock in the evening now. And as I said, I'd pop out and check things out again. Snow has picked up. Snowflakes are getting bigger. I'll turn you around in a moment. Well, you can see behind me there, out in the fields. Not as many people on the roads either. Whew. Supposed to get windy later. All right, this might be my last update today, but I might poke my head out later tonight in the dark just to see. Maybe I'll take you with, see how it's progressing. It is probably about at least an inch or 2 out here in the cornfield right now. But tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow's gonna be the big snowmaker, or we'll see. They call it for anywhere from 12 to 24 inches. All right, let me turn you around a bit here. Yeah, so there's the scenery out in the field. Kind of across from where I live. See, the snow is coming down. Kind of feels like the main event has started now. Whew. I kind of have mixed feelings about the snow. I am ready for spring, but if we're gonna get snow, might as well get a lot of it. And of course today's Sunday, but on Wednesday, I teach on Wednesdays, and on Wednesdays is my survival class. So if we do get a lot of snow, they're gonna be making survival snow shelters outside on Wednesday. So that should be kind of fun. And I'll probably, if that's what we do, I'll probably film that That'd be pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna get back inside, start making some coffee. I think like I said, I will pop my head out later. Maybe take a look later this evening before we go to bed. Well, before I go to bed. All right, I'm gonna get back inside. Kind of chilly out here. All right, so here we are as promised. Thought I'd stop out before I head out to bed. Here's Naomi. I'll get covered up in snow. Yeah, still snowing. It's a very fine-grained snow yet. Let's walk out here. See how much. Nah, maybe just several inches yet of snow out here. But it is supposed to snow all night and all day tomorrow. And I will continue to film tomorrow, obviously. Well, it looks like the neighbor kids are sledding over here. I'll show you that later here. They got their sleds out. All right, but I'm gonna go to bed here soon. It's almost 10 o'clock. And we'll see what it's like in the morning. We'll get the yardstick out here and see how much snow we get. If it was larger wet flakes, we'd have more snow, but still, like I said, this finer grained stuff. All right, we'll see. 2 feet? I don't know. As of now, I don't think we're gonna get 2 feet of snow. Just unless it like really picks up. All right. Yeah, over here you can see the neighbor kids. It's actually the landlord's kids. They were out here sledding. Got a whole bunch of sleds out here. Go down the hill. Down there is where I film a lot. Down by the creek. All right. Time to go to bed. I'll see you in the morning. So it is the next day. It's about 12 noon on the next day. And yeah. Actually, when I woke up this morning, it wasn't snowing anymore. It hasn't snowed for like the past 5 hours, and just in the last maybe 20 minutes turned back into this. Really turning around. So now all of a sudden, boom, back to winter wonderland. Can hardly see up that way. So it looked like it was going to be just a complete washout in a way this morning, like the storm was over, but I did check the Weather Channel and they did say the snow was going to return, and they were correct. So we'll see what happens. If it keeps up like this all day and into the night, then maybe we still will get quite a bit of snow, because it's really coming down. Now it's coming down thick and heavy. Because I think when I talked to you last night, it was that light, dry snow. This stuff is a lot, heavier and wet. Bigger snowflakes. You can see them coming down. All right, actually looks really pretty. All right, I'll turn you around a little bit so you can look at the snow and not have to look at me. All right, yeah, here's looking at the winter wonderland. So the snow is coming down in force now, and the wind is picking up too. Quite a bit. Just going for a quick little walk. Yeah, I haven't even been out here that long and I'm getting covered in snow. And on a slightly sadder note, if you are the praying type or whatnot, you can keep my friend John on your mind. A lot of you know him from some of my videos. He comes along and films with me sometimes, but he had to have emergency surgery this morning. We found out yesterday that he was going to have surgery. I'm not going to go into great details, but he doesn't, whenever he gets out of surgery today, he doesn't know how much of his leg is going to be left, to be honest. It sounds kind of awful, but it might just be his foot, or going to be, up to his knee might be removed. He had an infection in his foot, and it got into the bone, and yeah, now they have to amputate, either his whole foot or maybe half a foot, or they're not sure. And once they get in, they don't always know what they're going to find, how much they'll have to cut off. So kind of not what you want to hear. All right, so you can send him good wishes down in the comments too. I know a lot of you like him. So I was kind of thinking about that this morning too. All right, but I called him yesterday. He was pretty down about things, but it seemed later in the evening he kind of cheered up just a little bit, I guess you could say, as much as you can cheer up, knowing that you're gonna wake up not knowing how much of a leg you have left. All right, but that's life sometimes. All right. And just one last look here before I head back in. Does make things look quite beautiful. Like I said, it's supposed to snow throughout the rest of the day and into the night. And later today the wind is going to pick up, so this snow is going to blow around a bit more. Get more blizzard-like. All right, I'll check with you in later today. Check in with you later today, I guess. Whew. All right, so time for another update. This is what it's looking like out here. There's Naomi, covered in snow. And I got the ruler out. We'll test the snow levels out here in a little bit. But yeah. Well, one person's out driving. That's the road out there. All right, so let's go ahead and measure right here. Now the landlord did snow blow this yesterday or this morning, and we just got about 6 inches of snow today already. Yeah, because he borrowed my snow blower. So wow, so 6 inches in like 3 hours, pretty much here. Wow. All right, here is the non-snow blown section out in the backyard. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, almost 10 inches. Not 2 feet. 2 feet would be all the way up here. But 10 inches. All right, that's not so bad. I'll just leave that there for now. I'll come back and get it later. I'm wearing my new, I got those gaiters for my legs, because I should have my other boots on. These are just my regular shoes. So these will help keep pants dry when in the snow. But yeah, looks a lot different than earlier today. And I'm getting covered in snow here, but I have an update on John. I think he got out of surgery around 1 or 2 o'clock. Like I said, it started at 7:30, and he is doing all right. They didn't take as much as they thought they might have to. Let me adjust this for a moment. 1 second. They ended up taking out 2 of his toes and a little bit other parts of his foot. So that's good news. He's happy about that, considering what could have been taken. But he's not out of the woods yet. That foot has to heal from the surgery. That was what was wrong to begin with. His foot wasn't healing. That's why the infection went to the bone. So that has to heal. If it doesn't heal, then things could get bad again. More might have to be taken off. But so thankfully he's in good spirits. We talked. He was back to his normal self and joking. We were joking with each other on the phone a little bit, talking about, possibly keeping his toes in like a jar of vinegar or something. So, that might sound odd, but that's the kind of humor we have, and it's good to see him in good spirits like that. Because I talked to him yesterday. He was not the John that I knew. He was very kind of down about things. So it's good to hear him have a sense of humor back. So here, just a beautiful scene out in the backyard. It is deepening up out here. And this is supposed to continue through the night. Some birds out there, some doves. So we're at 10 inches now, we could get close to 18 inches. So maybe, maybe we'll get close to 2 feet, we'll see. Like I said, this morning it was not looking like it at all. But wow. What a change a couple of hours makes. All right. You know, here's what the main highway looks like. Because we were driving on this yesterday. Looked a lot better than it does now, obviously. Just gonna stay off the roads though. And now here's the field we were looking at yesterday afternoon. We were looking out here. It snowed a little bit then, but not like it is now. Almost like a whiteout conditions. We got someone driving past. Big old Jeep. Alright, well it's time to head back in. Get out of these snowy clothes. And I'll give you, like as always, I'll give you another update a little bit later today. I gotta go find my my yardstick. I think it's over there somewhere. So yeah, so if this keeps up, yeah, it's beautiful though. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, we're back at it. It's now about 5:30 in the evening. I'm gonna put the ruler on top of Naomi here. She's all kind of buried here. See how much snow she has on top of her. Oh, well, she's got about 10.5 inches. I'm not sure if that's showing up on top of her, but we'll go measure some other locations here. All right, back here is where I had measured earlier today, a couple hours ago. But let's see what we got going on here. Get adjusted here. Whoops. All right. So let's check this out here. Going in. Oh, 13 inches. Looks like, I'm not sure if that's showing up. About 13 inches. And as you can see, the snow has cut back quite a bit right now. Not sure if it'll pick up a little bit later today or not. Later tonight. Or if it's kind of winding down. So I'll have to check the weather, see if this is kind of winding down. Hasn't gotten windy yet. They keep saying that the winds are going to pick up, you know, to like 20 mile-an-hour winds, but that hasn't started yet. Not complaining. I don't really care for the wind. But as with last night, I will poke my head out, take you along later tonight, and see what it looks like at dark again. All right. Just gonna go back inside. Gotta think about what I'm gonna eat for supper tonight now. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. Just before I came in, the lights are flickering a little bit. So, and I'm not going out for a drive either. They're asking people to stay off the roads right now. The Department of Transportation. So we shall do that. All right. I'll see you a little bit later. Well, here we are once again, out here at night. It's about 9:30 once again. Here on Monday night. There's Naomi, all covered. I had to get in the back door. I could hardly open the door. So much snow accumulated on her. But let's head out this way. I want to get a measurement again. Wow. Maybe we'll go out over here. So the snow is kind of tapered off a little bit. I don't know if you can see. This is a light snow falling, but it is, you can see it sticking to all the trees. It is beautiful, actually. Yeah, look at that. In the light. It's supposed to continue like this until about 1 in the morning. Ooh, this is deep. About 1 in the morning. Then it's gonna start tapering off. Wow. Yeah, this is deep. Let me, got the ruler out here again. Hold on a second, let's get this out. Oh, okay. Let's see what that is at. So I'm thinking, looks about 15 inches. 15 and a half. So that's a decent amount. I'm gonna check out some other places too here. Varying depths, but wow. Okay. Yeah, and the snow looks absolutely beautiful, sticking to all the trees and everything. And it's just calm right now. I know I kept talking about the wind. I checked the Weather Channel, the website, and About 3 in the morning, the wind is going to pick up. Maybe 15-mile-an-hour winds. Only thing I'm concerned about that is potentially the power going out with all the snow on the trees. Makes the trees a little heavier, and then the wind comes along, and then, well, you know what happens. So, if the power goes out, it goes out. But wow, it's beautifully, peacefully calm out here right now. Alright, I'm gonna go check a few other measurements with the ruler, see how deep it is in some other places. It's actually not terribly cold. It actually warmed up. It's about 31 degrees right now. 30. Alright, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go. It's just amazingly kind of just beautiful out here right now. Peaceful and calm. Alright, let's get some other measurements. So a little bit further away, it's approaching 17 inches here almost. And you can see right here's my knee. So it's just a couple inches below my knee. Deepest snow I've seen in a while. Yeah, it's just right, I mean, yeah, it's almost right at 17. Alright, quite a bit. Yeah, maybe more like 16 actually. I think I had it in at an angle. Alright, still, that's a lot of snow. At least for Pennsylvania. Alright, well this is definitely 17 inches here. Alright, we're looking for the deepest spot out here. Yeah, poor Naomi looks so, she looks cold out here. Wow, I think I hear the snowplow coming. Let's get out here. Maybe not coming down this way, but... Alright. Yeah, the snowplow is coming down here, so we'll... Might as well film her as she drives by. There she is. Well, no snowplows are girls, but I always call vehicles a girl. It's like someone else coming. I don't think that's a plow. It's just a car. Alright, so you can probably just barely see me out here now, but I'm gonna go to bed, see what it looks like in the morning. You know, like I said, looking at satellite images and looking at the hourly forecast. Still maybe several hours of heavy snow coming yet. So we'll come out here in the morning and measure again. Currently at 17 inches. And I don't know, I'm not sure how much I'll film tomorrow. I know I gotta clean the Jeep off. Naomi's gotta get cleaned off, so maybe I'll film a little bit of that. Cleanup time, get all that off of her, all that snow. Alright, might walk out here just again. It is beautiful just seeing all the snow clinging to the trees out here, but unfortunately, like, it's gonna get windy overnight, so a lot of that's gonna fall off. It's always beautiful in the daytime too to see all the snow on the trees. I'll give you one last look of it over here. Yeah, there's one last look. By the light of the backyard light, you can see all the snow. That's pretty neat over there. The lights over there. Let's walk a little over here more. That's like a magical little scene over there. It's beautiful. Alright. Probably all be blown off by morning though. Alright, I'll see you in the morning then. Hopefully. Well, good morning. It's Tuesday, the following morning. February 2nd. Groundhog Day if you're living in the States. So I've been walking around, getting a few measurements of the snow. Not really much more accumulation than last night. So nothing really worth reporting. I know it was supposed to snow, they said heavily until about 1, but I don't think that really happened then. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta clean Naomi off, so I might film a little bit of that for you. But other than that, this will probably be end of the saga, as far as it's obviously not snowing anymore. And the wind. Where's the wind? I think I said that last night. It was supposed to get about 3 in the morning, the wind was supposed to pick up, but hasn't really done it yet, because you can see all the snow is up on the trees yet. But I guess it's still coming. All right. Yeah, I'm kind of avoiding the cleanup job here. It is kind of fun to clean off the cars, but I just had a coffee and a cookie for breakfast. Not much, but anyway, I gotta get to work. So like I said, I'll film a little bit of that. Might be kind of fun to watch. Might not be fun to do though. All right, let's get Naomi cleaned off. The roads are actually pretty clear, so we'll see. I might have to go out later today. All right, let's get working. Quit blabbing and start working.